Which of the following is not true about a product roadmap? Not true. Let's look at the options. Display the strategy and direction of the product. Are progressively elaborated over time. Provide short-term and long-term visualization of the product. Get baseline for tracking variances. Pick up your option and then we explore one by one as we go. Okay, so let's see. Display the strategy and direction of the product. I think this one is easy to pick and say, this is true. I can't say this is not true because the product roadmap is expected to show the direction for our product. So this is perfectly true. Are progressively elaborated over time. So what does it mean? So the idea here is the direction is laid out, but the detail inside that direction will get refined and elaborated and adjusted over a period of time. So which means product roadmaps are expected to get elaborated, explained, and modified as we go along. That's something we can say is indicated by the option B. Now, sometimes you may feel, no, it should give us the clear path. That is not necessarily true. It laid out the path, but the clarity in the path is going to emerge as we go along. As we start traveling on the path, we will know how we need to refine it, how we need to adjust it in order to achieve the given product vision. So this option is right. So it is true about the product roadmap. We can't say it is not true. It provides short-term and long-term visualization of the product. So I can say that this also relates with the option B. In a product roadmap, the things which are coming in the near term might be elaborated well. Things which are coming in the long term might be at a high level, at an abstract level, at a forecast level. But over a period of time, as we reach there, we will elaborate them because we are doing progressive elaboration. So it is true, it gives us a short-term and a long-term visualization of the product direction. Now, the only left with the option D, which seems to be the answer here, because that seems to be a not true option here. So let's explore that. Get baseline for tracking variances. Now, you have a product roadmap at a very, very high level. For variances purpose, you can't use a variance against the product roadmap. Yeah, that's not a usual practice because it doesn't serve that much purpose. You may track things which are detailed plan, which have a detailed agreement. Say you may have a release date, a planned release date, and you may want to track variances against that planned release date, but you don't have usually get value by tracking variances against the roadmap because roadmaps are made with high uncertainty at a very high level, which has an ambiguity attached. So over a period of time, these things are going to be refined. So tracking them against the baselines or baselining a product roadmap and tracking it for a monitoring purpose may not serve much value for a team. So that's why we can pick up and say that this option is not true about the product roadmap.